The new V60 offers a variety of driver assistance and safety systems. Already the trim-level Momentum offers the city safety system, a cruise control, active seatbelts and many more as standard. The list of optional systems is long. For instance, semi-autonomous driving up to 130 km with pilot assist. But also a 360 camera, a rear cross traffic alert or parking assistant are available.
The car we're driving with a trim level inscription starts at a base price of 53,050 euros here in Germany, and the car comes quite well equipped, so it offers as standard traffic sign recognition, it offers as standard electrical seats, climate control and a lot of other stuff. But if you really want to have a premium state, you have to put some extras in, and that costs extra. So our test car, as we're driving it with all the equipment we do have, which is fully equipped, that costs you about 20,000 euros more than that.
The entry-level model of the V60 trim-level Momentum as the so-called D3 with its 150 horsepower diesel starts at 40,100 euros in Germany. The competitors in the premium segment are on similar levels. At Audi, the A4 Estate with a 2-liter 150 horsepower diesel starts at 38,650 euros. The brand new 194 horsepower C220 as a T model is offered by Mercedes from 43,994 euros onwards. And the competitor from Bavaria, the BMW 318d Touring, starts at 39,600 euros.